How to view, edit, and delete a saved password on your iPhone. Find out how to use the password manager your phone offers to keep track of all your login information. The iPhone will prompt you to save a password each time you go into a new website or account. When you set up a password on your iPhone, it is linked to your Apple ID and becomes accessible in the Passwords and Accounts section of your device's settings. Here's how to take charge of your iPhone's passwords. When autofill constantly completes password fields for you, it's easy to lose track of your passwords. But if you want to check on any of the passwords you've saved on your iPhone, you can do so through the settings. To access your saved passwords, please follow these steps. Tap on Settings. In the list of settings, access the Passwords section. Two-factor authentication is required before you can access your saved passwords. If you have Face ID or Touch ID turned on, your face or fingerprint will be scanned to unlock the device. Third, after logging in, you'll get an alphabetized list of all the passwords associated with your Apple ID. If you need to see the password for a specific account or website, scroll down and tap on it. If you enter the same password into many sites, your iPhone will provide a security suggestion with the username and password. Tap the secret password to reveal it and copy it to your clipboard. Modifying a preserved password. Password editing is as simple as seeing. If you have access to the relevant settings or the website where you need to reset your password, you can do it with ease. Choose the Edit option. Enter the new password twice or the username and select Done. Changes to your password are saved instantly. If you want to delete this password, just tap on the Delete Password button. This is how you view, edit, and delete any password saved on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.